Hello student, myself Lakshmi Guru. Welcome to English grammar class. Today's topic is pronoun. Now let us begin. The pronoun is used in place of a noun. It helps us in avoiding the same words again and again. Literally, it means helper of a noun. For examples, he, she, they, her, his, etc. Maya is a brilliant girl. She is the famous of all the teachers. All of them admire her. Here, she, her and them are pronouns. Note: the noun for which a pronoun stands is called its antecedent. In the example given above, Maya is the antecedent of the pronouns she and her. Teachers is the antecedent of the pronoun them. Kinds of pronouns. Number 1, personal pronoun. Number 2, possessive pronoun. Number 3, demonstrative pronoun. Number 4, interrogative pronouns. Number 5, relative pronouns. Number 6, indefinite pronouns. Number 7, reflexive pronouns. Number 8, distributive pronouns. Number 9, reciprocal pronoun. Personal pronouns. A pronoun used instead of a person, creature or thing is called a personal pronoun. This pronoun acts as the subject or the object in a sentence. For examples, she, he, her, etc. It has 3 forms such as first person, second person and the third person. Here are the various forms of personal pronouns. Possessive pronouns. A pronoun that indicates positions or shows belonging is called possessive pronoun. For example, mine, yours, her, his, etc. Number 1, these books are mine. Number 2, that frog is yours. Here, mine and yours comes under possessive pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun used to point out the object or objects to which they refer. For example, this, that, those, etc. This is big home. Those are beautiful flowers. Here, this and those comes under demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Pronoun used to ask questions is called interrogative pronoun. For examples, who, whom, whose, which, etc. Number 1, what do you need? Number 2, whose pen is this? Here, what and whose comes under interrogative pronouns. Note: an interrogative pronoun is usually followed by a helping verb. Use a question mark at the end of a sentence of this type. Relative pronoun. The word which is used in place of a noun that relates one clause in a sentence to another is called relative pronoun. For example, who, that, which, whom, whose, etc. The book which I brought has been lost. Here, which comes under relative pronoun. The word which is used instead of book. Note: relative pronoun joins 2 clauses. It is called conjunctive pronoun too. The word in place of which a relative pronoun is used is called an antecedent. Here is the table showing relative pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, thing or amount. It refers in general. For example, someone, all, nobody, etc. Number 1, all of us are brothers and sisters. Number 2, everybody must be present in the meeting. Here, all and everybody comes under indefinite pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is used when the action done by the subject turns back or reflect upon the subject. They are used to put stress and are formed by adding self or selves to the personal pronoun. For example, myself, yourselves, etc. Number 1. I heard myself. Number 2. They blamed themselves. Here, myself and themselves comes under reflexive pronoun. Distributive pronouns, a pronoun that describes members of a group separately. It denotes persons or things one at a time, or we use this pronoun to describe all the members of the particular group. For examples, each, neither, either, etc. Number 1. Each of you must carry a pen. Number 2. Either of you can come with me. Here, each and either comes under distributive pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns, a pronoun used to identify an action or feeling that is reciprocated. We use this pronoun when two or more people do the same thing. For example, each other, one another, etc. Number 1. Ram and Pooja help each other. Number 2. While doing group work, please help one another. Here, each other and one another comes under reciprocal pronoun. Here are some questions related to the topic that you have to do at your home as a home assignment. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.